Hello, today we have Galaxy slime, and oh my god, I'm so Galaxy in the whole world. Peter, Gooder, Lawler, Chowder, Hodder, Mayor, Duder, Lopper, Dale, Lulu, Roger, 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 Roger.
¿Dónde está tu iPad?
So excited! Now, let's open this up. And I'm here at the car. I'm really not sure what to do. And this is it. There you go, what's this? Swamp. And as you can see it. It is so squishy. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm holding it. So since it's like soft and everything, it can maybe fall. So you don't want it to fall on something because it might make it disappointed. So your mother